Hello, and welcome to Multifamily Health and Safety, Ventilation, Moisture, Products, and Pollutants, brought to you by Oregon Housing and Community Services Multifamily Energy Program. We'll start with ventilation and moisture. Ventilation has essentially two functions. First, to exhaust stale, moist, polluted indoor air from the building, and second, to supply fresh, clean, sometimes filtered outside air to the building. We all know that ventilation is critical for good indoor air quality. So if ventilation is good, more is better, right? No. Flow rates should be sufficient to deliver adequate air exchange, but not too high. We want the right amount of ventilation, not too much and not too little. As far as controls go, we want to find a balance between occupant control and continuous or automatic operation. It's good to give occupants control over the ventilation systems, but if we give them total control, some occupants might choose not to operate them at all, and we could end up with moisture damage or moisture issues in a building that we wouldn't have if there was some amount of automatic operation to our ventilation system. Finally, our supply air filters, which could be MERV 8 or MERV 13, as well as charcoal filters that we might have on our range hoods, need to be changed regularly per the manufacturer's recommendations. What about products and pollutants? A common source of indoor air pollutants are VOCs. VOC stands for volatile organic compounds. These are gases that are emitted by solid materials or liquids at room temperature. Common indoor sources of VOCs include cooking, which is actually the most significant source of VOCs in apartments and multifamily buildings, but also things like paints and finishes, cleaning products, air fresheners, building materials and furnishings, or office equipment like printers. Health effects of VOCs may include eye, nose, and throat irritation, headaches, loss of coordination and nausea, damage to liver, kidney, and central nervous system, and some VOCs can even cause cancer in animals. And some are also suspected or known to cause cancer in humans. In other words, lots of bad stuff. So how do we minimize VOCs? First, we need to ensure that our kitchens are adequately ventilated. This is critical. Also, we should select products with third-party verified low VOC or zero VOC labels. We should select unscented products when possible, because those beautiful scents that we love in all of our products, those are really just VOCs, and a lot of people are sensitive to them. We should also store chemicals in well-ventilated areas, preferably outside. And also utilize integrated pest management practices to reduce the need for pesticides.